Hi everyone! Today I am going to flip through the latest release from Layla Dooley called Beautiful Planet. It is available on Amazon US and Amazon UK. Has this nice thick cover. It opens, but it opens to nothing, but I think that's just to hold your pages. Alright, then we have the Belongs To page. Okay, now into the artwork. Just got a little note here. Nice thick pages. She does amazing florals. She has the Flower Year coloring book that has pages themed for each year. Oh, look at this double page. She also has released Floribunda, which is same size as this one. This is like, I think 11 by 17. It's a big book. Oh, look at that. I love her style. Very intricate, but just so beautiful to look at. Oh my, look at that double page spread. Now the only thing is, yeah, you'll have to break the spine a bit because some of these go right into that spine. Oh, she's got little quotes on here too. That's cool. Ooh, that's pretty. All the tropical colors you could do. I like this one. Think of all the leaves you can flick color into. Butterflies. Ooh. These double page spreads are huge. Then we got a quote about the moth moon. I really like these little circle ones. You could do a background, but you don't have to do a background. Oh, I like that a lot. All right. Oh, these are cute. Little seashell pages. Oh, that would be fun. Paper is very smooth. Oh wow, this spread is awesome. So I definitely, for me, because of how smooth it is, I've used my Prisma, but a few pencils could work on here. Inktense would be fine. Even, you know what, polychromos might do just fine on this paper. I wouldn't use my Pablos because I would hate the scratch noise. Ooh, I like that. Beautiful. This is gorgeous work. Absolutely stunning. Oh wow, look at that one. That would take a while. It'd be worth it though. Oh, the feathers. Yeah, this is gorgeous. And I hadn't even known she was coming out with a new book until I saw it on Amazon. And I was like, oh, check that out. That's kind of cool. A little smaller, easier to tackle pages. Ah, probably never color that. This book does cost a little more, but you're getting good paper. It's a sewn-in binding. And it's huge, so obviously it wasn't cheap to print and create. Oh, look at those. So yeah, I mean, you get what you pay for. I like these. They're like mandalas. And that is it. And then she has the poets that she had quotes from. And then, yeah, the little back cover. That's awesome. I really like this one. So yeah, that is the latest release from Layla Dooley. I will leave a link in the description below. And let me know if you've grabbed this, your thoughts. Gosh, I'd love to color in it. I just have to be in the mood for florals. And that wave comes and goes. But I'll definitely be coloring in this year for sure. So Yeah, I like this. This is pretty. I definitely recommend this if you don't mind paying a little more for a good quality book. All right, until next time, everyone, take care. Bye now.